Star Daily with Phil C.
Yeah, right now I need to start with the classroom video because that's what I need to do today, and it's a little bit overdue, and I apologize for that. Truly, there has been a lot of things that I've been trying to fix over on my side, and it's just me here trying to do all of that. Actually, yeah, so I wanted to get this out much earlier to you today. Usually looking at a setup, trade of the day setup, and there's nothing too exciting going on right now in the markets, but if I get this out to you, then I can work on the Star Classroom, because I want to bring you a video that I promised you for reading structure and support and resistance levels. And that's going off the back of price action, the price action video that I wanted. So yesterday as you recall here, we were short on the euro dollar, and probably, well, actually any trade that I'm involved in, I expect to be stopped out of anyway. But we came down. Price action came down, flirting near our targets here, about 10 pips away, flirting near our targets. So it looks like we've got a reload right here, like this, and then retesting the highs, looking left here. Put in a double top right there. See if it holds. Probably not. We'll probably get stopped down to this about 20 pips. So in total, 40 pips, because remember, 2 contracts here. So probably get stopped down to this one. The risk to reward setup is ridiculous. 20 pips worth of risk for target 1 versus 36. And then for target 2 would be 75 pips as well. If we're over 50% accurate on these kind of trades, we're doing extremely well. Okay? You're doing extremely well. So the only thing that you need to do every day is trade that day in and day out. If the double top does hold, and then we get another move down, bonus. That would be great. Other than that, yeah, most likely get stopped down of that. Oh yeah, and yesterday, euro yen on the 15-minute just completely dropped off, hitting both targets there. This was just been looking at other trade setups here. This was my entries, my stop, entry, stop, and targets, and yeah, we came up and nipped our entry, came down and hit target 1, and also hit target 2, which is great. That was a bat pattern trade on the euro yen 15-minute. Pound dollar, yeah. Pound dollar, as I mentioned yesterday, is slapping me around. But I come in, trade the plan. I do have to do that anyway. But yeah, the pound dollar is just doesn't like me right now, which is fine. That's all right. Dollar yen, looking at a trend continuation trade towards the upside again. The risk reward here is really good. 17 pips for 43 and 88. Trend continuation trade towards the upside on the dollar yen 1 hour time frame. Aussie dollar still currently long, starting to move sideways right now. Nothing else that I'm paying attention to. This was Kiwi yen right here. That's Kiwi dollar. Aussie yen is kind of what I'm looking at today. So right here at this low is our starting point. Okay, we get a move up, and then we get a retracement, right? And then we get another move up, right here. As price action pushes higher, we close above these highs right there. As we close above these highs, then we're looking for a retracement back down into this structure level right here. So as I'm going to do for the video today, this structure level was support, okay? As price action came down, it became resistance. And then as price action comes up and closes above, it then acts as support again. So we have support, resistance, and then support again. What I'm looking for out of this one here, so this is Aussie Yen 15 minute. I'm looking for a trend continuation trade towards the upside here. So see these highs right up here. Oops. These highs right up here at 94.92. So let's say 9,500 psychological number at structure. This is where I predict price action to go to. Now, just because I predict doesn't mean it's going to go there. If that were true, then I would be a multi-millionaire. And that's not the case. I'm only right half of the time. But when I am, I win more than I lose. So what I'm looking for here is price action to come all the way down into my buy zone right here. So this is my buy zone right there. Now, as price action comes down, I've got an entry here, right here. So anywhere within this box is a valid buy towards the upside, okay? So I need a good risk to reward on this, a minimum of 1-to-1. So if price action comes all the way down into 91.63, then I'm going to buy it up. My stops are just below the 113, so make sure I get it in the right place. 90.066, okay? 90.066. So what am I looking at here? About 10 pips, so 20 pips in total. For stops here. Entry right there, and then stops will be right here. Target 1 will be a retest of the highs right here. And then target 2, while I'm looking, at that structure level, looking left. So I use a Fibonacci extension tool and I take the previous swing low to swing high. Okay. So previous swing low, oops, all the way up into swing high, back down in. What I'm looking for target 2 is a 127 Fibonacci extension. If I drop in a line tool right there, okay, we are up at that zone. Okay, if we look left, we have it. Oops. Oh. Get rid of this one. We have a line tool at the 127. So if we look left, we have structure here, structure here, structure here, and almost a test here. So this level right here tells me that if price action hits this structure level, then most likely we're going to get a reaction out of price action. Okay. If that's true, then that's where I want to get out. Okay. This is where I want my sell order at. So target 2 will be at a 127, but we're going to front run that. So we're going to go 93.99s for target 2. Okay. Right there. This may not even be a valid trade. Okay. We've come up and retest the highs already as I'm doing this. And if price action does, move that over here. If price action does move to the upside and then we do close above these highs, then I have to do that process all over again. But if we can come all the way down at the moment from here, then it's still valid for me to take. And I can buy it up and look for target 1 at the, it's going to say 382.68. But we'll look at target 1 at a retest of the highs and then target 2 at a 127 Fibonacci extension. But, you know, this may not even play out, just looking at it right now. But I wanted to get something out to you. This is what I'm currently looking at, and updated you on the other trades as well. It's currently long Aussie dollar, currently long dollar yen. Again, trend continuation trade. See if we can get a move towards the upside here. And yeah, might get stopped out of this one. So we'll see what happens with dollar yen. Maybe this is the ticket for the day. Again, the risk rewards are great on this trade. If you do want to learn this strategy, you don't have to wait for my Star Classroom videos to come out. You can go ahead, click on the link in the description already, or I pinned the comment as well below, and you can sign up for free and start learning it now. And also, one of the updates I did is made it accessible on mobile because it was not working well on mobile. So those are one of the things that I fixed today. So it's working now on mobile. So you can do that. But I would highly recommend, I would absolutely suggest to you that, you know, when you do sign up for a free account at Star Classroom, is to check out the foundation videos. Those are highly important. It will show you the reality of day trading, which a lot of people don't show you, by the way, because it's not sexy. And, you know, it really isn't what you think it is. All those ads that you see, Forex investing ads and things like that, all the cars, the high life, the laptop, and all those sorts of things, it isn't like that at all. That's purely for marketing, to sell an indicator, strategy, a system, trading bot, community, things of that nature. It's not like that at all. But yeah, if you want to check out the reality of trading, then please watch the 4-part series, the Foundation series, after you sign up. But until next time, I'm going to start the classroom video today on, right now, on support and resistance levels, because structure plays an important part, a vital role in trading, as you can see right here. Now, my targets are at a structure level right here. Previous support becomes new resistance right here. And that's where our targets are. Right there. Okay. I know I talk too much, so that's it for this one. Until next time, keep an eye out for the video. If you haven't subscribed, do that. Notification bell, etc., and so on and so forth. Until next time, be safe, enjoy life, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much.